Hey Hiromi and Bernard, I wanted to create a video to show you how this phishing attempt worked and how the phishing filter caught it, because it's an ingenious phishing attempt and the phishing filter did a really good job preventing it. So here's how this went. Hiromi sent in a request for us to release an email. So I went into the phishing platform portal and opened up the email. And I'm zoomed in here because just for legibility, so I got to scroll around a little bit. But you'll see that it sees a lot of indications that it's phishing. But what about it, and this looks terrible because I'm zoomed in, but what about it was phishing? And I saw here that it passed one kind of check, and it says that you've never received an email from this person before, and that it's a new domain, meaning someone just bought this domain on the internet. So that was that raised a little bit of a flag. And I can see here that it was sent to 2 people within Artie Jones. Here. All right, so we can see that the email is from this address. So I'm going to copy this email address. Really, I'm just going to copy the domain because that's what it flagged. Right? It said that the domain was recently added, recently purchased. And so I put it in here in this lookup tool. It'll tell me when the domain was purchased. And sure enough, it was created yesterday, right? Red flag. So it's probably not someone you've worked with before. But then you said that you had, or you think you were working with this person. So what happened here? Is this tool wrong? Well, I put in another domain, our old domain, because I know when that one was purchased. All right, so you can see here, sure enough, the tool is reporting the right data, right? It was bought 20 years ago. Okay, but then let's put the domain back in. A-M supply. And search. Wait a second. Now it shows 1997? What happened? What's different between those two searches? Well, the first time I pasted the email or the domain in here. And the second time I typed it out. So something about what I pasted and what I typed out is different. But it looks exactly the same. All right, so let's search the page for A-MSUPPL. Wait a second. It didn't find this L. So it's not an L? Okay, let's test this. Let's see what this is, because this is all lowercase, right? All right, so here I'm going to copy what I pasted in here, the domain in the email that Hiromi received. I'm going to paste it here, and select it, and now I'm going to have Word change it to all uppercase. It's not an L, it's an uppercase I. Somebody bought A-MSUPPIY.com, capitalized the I when they sent the email, and tried to get Hiromi to reply because she thought it would be from A-MSUPPLY.com. So, very sneaky, but the phishing filter is doing its job. It's pretty great.